They went to the jungle for fun. They were laughing, they were smiling, but suddenly the jungle became silent. No signal, no way back. This is the story of a jungle adventure that changed everything. Anya and her friends loved adventure. They were young, they were excited, they wanted a break from daily life. One morning they decided to explore a jungle. They packed their bags carefully: water, food, camera, hope. They did not know this journey would test their courage. Early in the morning, Anya and her friends packed their bags: water bottles, snacks, camera, flashlight. They took a bus to the jungle area. Outside the window, they saw green trees, big mountains, fresh air. Everyone was smiling. "This will be the best trip ever," Anya said. They entered the jungle with a guide. The jungle was beautiful. Birds were singing. Sunlight came through the trees. They took photos. They laughed. They walked deeper. Slowly, the sounds changed. The jungle became quiet. After 1 hour, the guide stopped. He checked his phone. No signal. He looked worried. "Stay close," he said. But one friend went ahead. Another friend stopped for photos. Anya turned back. She could not see everyone. Suddenly, the guide realized something. This was the wrong path. No signs, no network, only trees. Anya's heart started beating fast. "Are we lost?" she asked. The guide said nothing. Dark clouds came. Rain started falling. The path became slippery. One friend slipped and cried. Anya helped her stand. Everyone was scared now. The jungle was not fun anymore. It became dark. They stopped walking. They used flashlights. Strange sounds came from far away: animals, wind, leaves. Anya hugged her bag tightly. She thought of home. Anya spoke calmly. "We must stay together," she said. They shared food. They shared water. They kept talking. Talking reduced fear. The guide used a compass. He remembered a small river. After walking slowly, they heard water. A river. This was good news. People often come near rivers. They followed the sound. In the morning, they heard a helicopter. Anya waved her scarf. She shouted loudly. The rescue team saw them. Everyone cried with relief. They were safe. Back home, Anya sat quietly. She learned something important. Adventure is exciting, but safety is more important. Friends are strength. Calm mind saves life. The jungle adventure ended, but the lesson stayed forever. Sometimes the biggest adventure is surviving together.